Many back pains, I think the evidence would suggest most back pains, that can be brutally painful. Pass out painful. Frozen lying on the ground painful. Distressing for the people around you painful. Something you rate at 9 or 10 out of 10 might be associated with little or no injury. We now know that, the data tell us that. It feels like you've been blown apart. Some back pains that have proper tissue damage and some significant injury feel just the same. Life-threatening injuries, where your life is at risk because of this injury, are usually pain-free. Think through that. So I'm talking here about a limb being blown off, catastrophic trauma, and most of you will at least know of a story. You might know someone, it might have been your story, that at the time of injury, for until you were safe, you were pain-free. Once your life is no longer under threat, then you normally have a lot of pain. Because pain is not measuring tissues, it's telling you whether or not you should protect. And the brain is smart enough to know that if it creates an experience that makes you look after your arm that's been blown off, then you'll die. So it doesn't create that experience. It's a very, very sophisticated and cool system.